Yeah, it's to be frank, the overall experience is really great. It helped me handle things from a workplace very differently, because it is not the right way in which that I was handling things before. So this place is really a great opportunity for people, especially for the HR professionals, being a beginner or an experienced person. So they can come and they can get themselves certified by choosing the right certifications according to their experience. And definitely you will see a lot of results. So I have seen my results, after completing the opportunity with the CHRP and CHRM program. So yeah, so I would say, like, when I moved to Qatar, so I started with an opportunity with one of the IT infrastructure, where I was feeling that there were a lot of difference in which that I was handling things in India, because I worked for an HR person as an HR for an analytics company. Here, the technical or the process perspectives were very less, and I was not given the right opportunity for me to pick it up or work very closely with the senior management. So that was not there. When I started with this learning, right, practical learning experience with the WorkX Middle East, where Yogesh and Sachit Santosh, so they both helped me from the CHRP and CHRM program module wise. So they gave me the different aspects of how the modern HR needs to be looked upon. I can definitely see that I was just being a traditional HR professional for around 7 to 8 years, and I was not looking at the modern aspects of how the HR needs to be, the technology or the process or procedures, or be it the HR excellence tools. I was not looking at all that things. So I was just put up in a place where, like, I have to do certain things and I will do and get it done. But now I can see, like, I even cracked around 7 to 8 interviews with one of the American-based company. So it didn't happen for me before. It didn't even work out for me. I remember I didn't even pass. Couldn't get past with 2 or 3 rounds with the MNCs. So I can see, like, there is a huge difference in the way in which that I approach everything at workplace, as well as being a HR professional. I'm very confident in terms of approaching things and handling any sort of conversation. So yeah, thank you so much to the WorkX team.